How to make friends on your first day of high school. It's the first day of high school and you're feeling a bit nervous. You don't know anyone and you're not sure how to make friends. But don't worry. There are plenty of ways to meet new people and make friends on your first day of high school. Here are a few tips. Smile. First impressions are important, so make sure to greet people with a smile. Be open and friendly. Talk to everyone, even if you don't know them. Join a club or activity. This is a great way to meet people with similar interests. Ask questions. People love talking about themselves, so ask questions and get to know people. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Making friends on your first day of high school can be daunting, but it's definitely possible. Just remember to be friendly, be yourself, and have fun. Before going into the details, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 17 things to know how to make friends on your first day of high school. 1. Find common interests. Talk to people about things you both like. 2. Ask questions and listen. People love talking about themselves, so ask lots of questions and show that you're interested in what they have to say. 3. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you think other people will like, just be yourself and the right people will gravitate towards you. 4. Smile and be friendly. It sounds obvious, but if you walk around with a big smile on your face, people will be more likely to approach you and want to talk to you. 5. Be positive and upbeat. Nobody wants to hang out with a negative person, so make sure you're radiating positive vibes. 6. Offer help. If you see somebody struggling with something, offer to help them out. It's a great way to make a new friend and do a good deed at the same time. 7. Join clubs and extracurricular activities. This is a great way to meet people with similar interests to you. 8. Go to school events and functions. There are always lots of social events going on at school, so try to attend as many as possible, you never know who you might meet. 9. Be open-minded. Don't write somebody off just because they don't fit into your usual type of friend. You might be surprised at how well you get along. 10. Don't be afraid to make the first move. If you see someone you want to be friends with, don't be afraid to go up and introduce yourself. 11. Be inclusive. When you're talking to somebody, include them in the conversation and make them feel like they belong. 12. Offer compliments freely. People love getting compliments, so if you see something you like about somebody, tell them. They'll appreciate it, and it will make them more likely to want to be friends with you. 13. Be a good listener. This ties in with being interested in what other people have to say. If you're a good listener, people will enjoy talking to you and will want to be around you more. 14. Don't gossip. Gossiping about other people is a surefire way to make enemies, not friends. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. 15. Be trustworthy. People want to be friends with somebody they can trust, so if you want to make friends, make sure you're someone that other people can rely on. 16. Have fun. Being friends should be enjoyable, so make sure you're having a good time too. 17. Be yourself. This is the most important point of all. You'll make the best friends if you just be yourself and let people get to know the real you.